A bit of update, as you can see, I got a new camera, the GRWS Pocket 3. YouTube channel. Hi everybody, my name is Sandrine and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It really has been a long time that I've not created anything, and here I am. I'm back all the week. Hope you're staying, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you want to be a friend, if you want to stick around. Let's connect. I've been taking driving courses for a long time, more than 6 months, but that's only because I stopped right in the middle when I had to take my vacation days. So this time I have failed like 5th time. You can imagine. I failed like 5 assessment only for the school. I failed 4, and then this time round I was supposed to pass. I had a feeling, and then I was like a little bit more confident, like not like before how I used to feel, and I did it well. So we started, and then my colleague started, because the way it works in Dubai, so one will drive and then another will be in the back, wait, and then you switch. So she started, which is the good thing. She started because I know when you start you always have that fear, but she started, and then I got get used to it, and then with the driving and stuff. So I did well. So I did the second round, and then I passed so well. Like, I really wanted to pass, and that gave me the opportunity to move to the next step, which is the parking classes. It was great. So you can really see how happy I was from the phone that I had a green line. It was something like I was so much really excited about, like, moving to the next step, and it was so much nice, and I was so happy by myself. And that was an end of my day. So after that, was like in the evening, I had grocery shopping. One of the things that I always do is shopping some fruits and vegetables during night time. I don't know, because it's only because in the morning I really have no time. Moving on this day, I had a very great date with one of my friends from Spain. So he was literally like leaving, and he was super sad that he's going to leave Dubai, and then I was feeling so sad because it was unexpected. And so I had to do a little bit of makeup and stuff. I always want to go out with a good fresh look, makeup. I don't use like a lot of products on my face whenever I'm doing makeup. I do full face makeup, however I don't apply lots of products. So you know what I mean? I don't know if you know the difference, but make sure I make my lips, I do eyebrows, I like to do my eyes because I have very small eyes, and I like to keep my lips glossy. And I've been super fan of wearing like this kind of combination of different colors, like minimalist, let's say, like that. I've been loving to try to wear something that is complementing my skin. And yeah, and then when it comes to hair, I like to do, I don't know, not so much crazy style. I don't know how to style my hair. I suck at this, but I just tie it up, whatever, as long as it's still new. The braid is always fresh wherever I wear it, it's always fresh. So I didn't have any issue with that. And yeah, that was like what I did. So this was my outfit. I like to match my outfit with shoes, bags. I don't wear much of blondes, but I do my best to make sure that I look good and everything I put on is complementing each other. So the bracelets from H&M, dresses Shein, Michelle, bag is from Grace, jewelries and stuff. Some are from Rwanda, some are from Shein, but it was so pretty, like matching a good combination. So I went out, I met a friend for just a drink, and I'm back. This was my look as a shawty all area, and I was looking so cute. Do you see that? So I'm just gonna get ready for bed.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.
On this day, I had my first parking class that I've been really waiting for a really long time. And I went. It did not go well, unfortunately, because I took long time, getting used to, and I got in fight with my instructor. Not a big fight, I mean argument, but other than that, it was a good day, and I really had so much fun. I really enjoyed it, and then I just went home. Yeah.
And today I just finished creating my 2025 vision board, and it is literally, I feel like I'm getting it and taking it more seriously. So I've created some stuff that I really want to achieve, a lot of goals that I'm really targeting to achieve in 2025. And I love how it was super easy on Pinterest. It was so easy to organize and categorize step by step, like what I want month to month, which I hope I'm gonna get like maybe 90% of it. So yeah, let's see how it goes and wish me luck. Babishyire ahantu ku buriri kuko biragwa. Bisikana. When you know you hide me alone, hesitation never knows. I would please be anything else. Oh, siya nag-rigos. Yeah, I love that one. I want you to stay.
Okay, we are on 30th of December 2024, and we're getting ready to go out. It is our last night together, and we're gonna have so much fun. We're heading to Cé La Vie, and I hope everything is gonna be as we planned. Let's see how it goes. And
This right here. Which one? Yeah, the go selections. And my favorite more bag. Please, no. You guys go, I'm following you. Hey everybody, so we are on the way, and this is our Natasha break.
One like this one, I don't like it. No, so not exactly. After that, bakanatubyinira shayi bagibyiza pe nagara mu
Ase muri he?
Tagazi n'umukobwa twambaye ikanzu zimwe exactly.
So thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one.